it's Donna Duffy. I'm the CEO and founder of 3E Marketing Solutions, and I want to welcome you to the Digital Demi, your weekly shot of inspiration and wisdom to help you grow your business. Today we're discussing project management and organization, and I know that sounds like a yawn fest, so please don't go anywhere, because I want to promise you that if you get a handle on your projects and your organization, you will absolutely up your productivity. So here are 5 ways to help you do that. The first one we're going to start with is something I call the pie and then the pieces. So you want to look big to go small. Start with your strategy and start at the biggest part of your vision, and then narrow it down and start to fill things into that pie that absolutely align with the vision so you don't go off track. Now, another thing you want to look at is processes and things that you do. Are they repeatable? Can you go back and do them again and again? If so, it's time to create a system. Now, the cool thing about putting systems in place is that's when you're able to bring in interns, that's when you can bring in employees, because they can come back and follow your repeatable process. The next thing is templates. Are you creating a document that you've already created 10 times over? Then it's time to make a template. Who wants to go back to the beginning and back to square one and reinvent with a flashing cursor on a blank page? I don't. So that's why we create templates. And you're going to find that when you hit your strategy and your systems and your templates, that you've created a sense of freedom for yourself because you're putting structure in place. Now, how are you going to keep all this together? What are you going to use? Now, some people just use their files inside their computer, and that's fine. You may have a series of folders, colored folders that you use to keep track of all your projects, and that may work for you. But what we've done, and has really saved our sanity, is we use a cloud-based project management tool called BaseCamp. Now, I want to thank the guys at BaseCamp and shout out to them, because really they have helped us to stay so organized. And if it's time for you to do that, then you want to search the internet and look for BaseCamp or another tool to start to bring everything in, allows to be cloud-based, where you can interact with your team, with your clients, in a way that keeps all of those details out of your email and keeps you on top in a bird's eye view over all of your projects. The one thing you absolutely don't want to do, and this is number 5, is you do not want to rely on your own brain. And any of us who are 50 plus are going to agree with me. It's time to put that energy somewhere else. We're going to save our brains for productivity and creativity and other fun things as we grow our business, not the details of our project. So I'm going to encourage you to look at the pie and the pieces, make sure you get your structures, your systems, your templates in place, and then choose that project management tool that's going to help you to go forward. Remembering that when you wrangle and handle all your projects and your organization, your productivity is going to go up. We look forward to seeing what you're going to do and how you're choosing your tools. So leave us a comment and let us know what you're using. And we will look forward to seeing you next time right here with us on the Digital Demi.